Welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon and I share our family's debt-free journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt and frugal living tips, meal planning, and organizing. And this week I really wanted to get a debt-free journey and March budgeting tips update for you guys. But with all the school closures, the 4-day weekend for President's Day, we've had ice. I live in North Texas and we've had ice, so schools, everything shuts down. So we've had the kids home. It's been really hard to film and edit and do all those things that it takes to get videos up. But I did have some content already filmed. So today I'm gonna share my meal planning and meal prep video with you guys. I'm hoping to get the March budgeting tips video up for you at the end of the weekend or before Tuesday as a bonus video. A lot of people ask me for lunch ideas, breakfast ideas for meal prep. I have my frugal meal planner that gives you a lot of ideas for dinner. I do a lot of meal prep before the week begins for my husband's lunches, breakfast things, the kids, snack packs, and all those things. As much as I can, I get done during the week. Sometimes I'm more tired and I do nothing, and I do realize that during those weeks, I'm much more exhausted in the morning. It just doesn't go as well or as easily in the mornings because I'm rushing around. So anytime I can find an hour or two on Saturday or Sunday to meal prep for the week, I do it because I know it's gonna make the week run way more smoothly. We do have 3 small kids and they play sports and are in activities, so a lot of times our weeknights are very busy and we're just getting home late and waking up early and starting the day all over again. So as much as I can do before the week begins, I get it done. So I just wanted to share you guys a little meal prep motivation and some ideas for your husband, boyfriend, spouse's lunches, or they could be for you too. So let's jump in. Before I show you what I'm making my husband for lunch, this is just something I commonly make for my kids, which is just like a big box of pasta, and I keep it in the fridge, and I can put this in their lunches with just some oil or butter and Parmesan cheese. I put it in their lunch boxes and serve it often, like on the weekends. I showed you guys this meatball lunchbox that I made for my husband in last week's video, and so I just wanted to show the recipe. I'm not measuring here, but you basically use about a pound of ground beef, a 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, and an egg and some Italian seasoning. Then you're gonna form the mixture into large meatballs, and I put them in simmering marinara sauce and put the lid on and leave them for 35 to 40 minutes, and they come out perfect. The next thing I'm making is just a whole bunch of chicken and steak. And usually, like for steak, we just use whatever beef is on clearance. And then we also use frozen vegetables just to make things really easy. We use frozen vegetables at dinner, for lunch boxes, for pretty much everything. Now I'm prepping the lunch boxes. You don't have to weigh out your meat, but I just like to get all the lunch boxes really even. And so I'm just weighing everything out to about 6.5 ounces of chicken in each lunchbox. And then the chicken's gonna have the green beans on the side. Then I'm also making steak with a side salad, and also the meatballs will have a sweet potato on the side. For the salad, I used whatever we had on hand. We have some dried cranberries, some red onion, and feta cheese. And then I'm gonna use oil and vinegar for the dressing. And I like to add bacon bits, but I ran out of those. For the dressing, I just mixed oil and balsamic vinegar in these are like kid yogurt and applesauce, like make your own squeezy pack things, I guess, or smoothies. You can put whatever in there. I really like these for lunch, like for putting smoothies and things like that in the kids' lunches. And I thought it would work really good to put the dressing in and let him just leave this in the office refrigerator so he would have it for the whole week for his salads. Sadly, if you watched my video last week, you'll know that the sweet potatoes do not fit in these boxes, which kind of stinks, but you know, we'll take what we can get. So in total, I was able to fill 10 of these lunch boxes in just over an hour. And then just while I was on a roll of getting things done, we got this giant Costco bag of veggie straws at Costco, of course. And so I just got some of these Dollar Tree Ziploc bags and I'm filling these up so they're easy to grab and go in the mornings. All three of my kids need to bring a snack and a water bottle every morning to school. And, you know, it can be hard to remember sometimes, but it's way easier if they're already prepped and ready to go. Just grab them, throw them in the backpack, makes mornings so much easier to already have this done. This video gave you some motivation and ideas for meal prep this weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.